Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona has taken its toll. With millions falling sick every day, nobody knows when this pandemic will end. अगर आपने भी मेरी तरह कोरोना को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो आप जानते हैं कि ये बैटल आसान नहीं है। ठीक होने के बाद भी ब्रेथलेसनेस एंड फटीग जैसी कई प्रॉब्लम्स हमारा साथ नहीं छोड़ती। After all, your body does go through a lot trying to survive. कोरोना रिकवरी प्रोग्राम है आपका वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन टू फिक्स ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स। ये सिंपल टू फॉलो रेजिमेंट स्पेसिफिकली डिजाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है। इजी टू फॉलो, स्लो पेस्ड और कंट्रोल बॉडी मूवमेंट से ये चैलेंज आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा। Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके। ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है आर्म सर्कल्स। गो अहेड, आर्म्स ऑन द साइड। Breathe in as you lift your arms up, bringing your fingertips together. Breathe out as you relax. Eight in the opposite direction. And relax. Up next, guys, is our upward arm stretch. Hands hanging on the side. Deep breath in as you bring the palms of your hands together. Breathe out as you drop them back down. 8 repetitions again. Relax. Up next, guys, is dynamic side dips. Go ahead and lift your arms up overhead, bent at the elbows and holding on to each other. Dip on one side and dip on the other. Relax. Up next, guys, are wrist rotations. Stretch your arms out in front of you, slightly bent at the elbows. Make fists with your hands and start making circles. 8 in one direction. Eight in the opposite. Relax. Coming up next, guys, is a few neck movements. We will start with neck left to right. relax. Up next is head tilts. Next up, guys, is head nods. And relax. Up next, guys, is sitting good mornings. Hands in the front. Deep breath in, back straight. Breathe out as you drop your arms on the side, bending your torso forward. Breathe in, breathe out. And relax. Up next, guys, is double knee tucks. Go ahead, put your hands on the side, back straight. Avoid leaning back as you lift both your knees up toward your chest. 8 repetitions again. Relax. Up next, guys, is double leg extensions. Same position, hands on the side. Lift your heels up, balance on your toes, keeping your body upright. Extend both the legs out until they are parallel to the ground and come back. And relax. Up next, guys, is calf lifts. Go ahead and put your hands on the knees, leaning forward, putting weight on the knees. Breathe in as you lift your heels up. Breathe out as you bring them down. And relax. Finally, guys, ankle rotations. Go ahead, lift one leg up and start making circles with your foot. Opposite. Let's switch sides. 8 circles in one direction. 8 in the opposite. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी warm up movement. I hope all of you are sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat some of these movements one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ आसन्स. So guys, आज का हमारा पहला आसन है उत्कटासन, also known as the chair pose. इसे हम करेंगे in the standing position. So go ahead, stand comfortably. Feet slightly apart, keeping your back straight. Fall down into a squat position and lift your arms overhead. And hold. Breathe in. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है प्रपर आसन, also known as the tiptoe pose. इसे हम start करेंगे in the standing position, feet together, knees together, standing in a straight line. Bring your palms together, facing each other. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out as you fall down into a squat, lifting your heels up until you're only balanced on your toes. Breathe in and relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है मत्स्य आसन, also known as the cross-legged fish. ऐसे हम perform करेंगे in the sitting position. Go ahead and cross your legs normally. Bring your arms behind, balancing on your elbows, tucking your hands underneath. Take a deep breath in. And drop your head down onto the mat. Breathe in. आज का हमारा अगला आसन है कपोट आसन or the upright pigeon. Go ahead and bend one leg in, right leg pushed straight out and hold. Let's switch our sides. Bending your right leg in, left leg goes straight back and hold. And relax. गाइज अब हम करेंगे कुछ ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस। आज की हमारी पहली एक्सरसाइज है भ्रमरी प्राणायाम, ऑल्सो नोन एज बीज ब्रेथ। सो गो हेड, पुट योर इंडेक्स फिंगर्स राइट ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर आईब्रोज, 3 fingers to close your eyes, and use your thumbs to close your ears. Also through the nose, but making the M sound. And relax. Guys, आज की अगली एक्सरसाइज है अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम। इसे alternate nostril breathing भी कहते हैं। Take your right hand thumb, blocking your right nostril. Deep breath in through the left. Using 2 fingers, blocking the left nostril, breathe out through the right. Breathe in through the right, out through the left, in through the left, out through the right, in through the right, out through the left. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की movements. I hope all of you enjoyed them and are not too tired. Consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So please take it easy, give your body a chance to heal and rest. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for more cutting-edge fitness challenges. Happy healing!